Okay, let's expand on what we've already talked about. We previously, where you had the option to do the fancy U sub or division, I told you division was coming up. Welcome. Here's where we have to do division. Also, when we get to partial fractions, you will have to do division. So if you didn't learn how to do polynomial division before, learn it now. Learn it now. This is where we are with it. All right, so make sure that you can get this divided correctly. And I know I'm going to divide because my denominator has a smaller degree than the numerator. So let's write this out. You divide when, number one, it's the same degree. Then you divide. That's what we had done previously. Or if the numerator is bigger, the degree, numerator degree I should write because that's important, because that's what's bigger, is bigger than the denominator degree. All right, so the degree in the numerator is bigger than the degree in the denominator. That is the scenario we have here. So divide. We're going to come off to the side, and I'm going to have x plus 4 is going to divide into x squared plus 2x minus 1. The same process applies. You are looking at those first terms. Do your division. X squared divided by x. That's what you're determining. X squared divided by x is x. That is what goes here. And line it up. 98% of success in mathematics is what? Organization. That's right. So line it up. If x is the value I have, then line it up with the other x's. Then I'm going to take this and distribute it. That's going to get me x squared plus 4x. See how nicely that lines up? When you subtract those, you add the opposite. X squared minus x squared cancels out. 2x minus 4x is going to give me a negative 2x, and then bring down that minus 1. And then do it all over again. Negative 2x divided by x is a negative 2. That is what goes up here. Then you take your negative 2 and you distribute. So I now have a negative 2x minus 8. And subtract that. You add the opposite and you come up with 7. When you have this 7 as your remainder, it's positive, so I'm going to put plus, and I'm going to get rid of this here because that's just in the way. Plus 7 over the divisor. Now I have something we can easily integrate. I've just rewritten the division, so I have x minus 2 plus 7 over x plus 4 dx. All right, good. Now integrate. The antiderivative of x is going to be a 1/2 x squared minus the antiderivative of 2 is just 2x. Then I'm going to take this 7. There's no need for a u sub here. It's a direct, because the derivative of x plus 4 is 1. So it's a direct right to the answer. Natural log of x plus 4 plus c. All right, the key to this problem, and if you don't know how to do long division, then now's the time to learn, because it will serve you well moving forward. So make sure you know how to do that long division. All right, if you need extra examples, there's extra examples in the book. Email me, I'll give you some. We can work some together in my office hours, whatever you need. All right, but you need to know how to do that division, and it happens if you have the same degree or the degree in the numerator is bigger. All right? Okay.